Happy New Year's! Today is Thai New Year's นะคะ 13th of April 2020. I made the ลาบหมู This is a holy dish that we made in New Year in Thailand. I wish everyone happy and healthy. Good luck to you all. Thank you for watching. We need to make the paste to mix with the lime นะคะ The ingredient here we have lemon grass, shallot, garlic, dry chili, Galangal, Thai ginger. See the ginger that we dig this morning. Yeah. So what we do? So the ginger, I'm gonna use the older part with the big root, not the one on the shoot here at the end because this is young. They're not as hot as tasty. It's the older part. So now I'm going to roast the dry chili. In the wok, strong smell. It might make you cough and sneeze. Oh, one chili in there. We'll put that. One garlic in there. Until you see the color from red, it turn dark red or from brown. You see the colors? See this? This is good. Okay. The lemongrass, the Thai gingers, the galangal, the garlic and shallot. Same as the chili, dry roast, okay? Dry roast or toast. During I wait, I'm gonna smash the chili. So I have salt in here. Add a bit of salt, about a teaspoon of salt. It'll help to smash the chili easier. After we smashing with galangal, lemongrass, shallot, garlic, right after we toasting them, so the chili powder that you saw before, it turned to a sticky paste. See, like a sticky paste. You see that? And when we get this paste, next we're gonna bring this one to fry them with the oil in the wok. And we're gonna rest them. Now we fry them in the oil. Fry the fish in the oil. Make it more fragrant. For how long? Maybe you fry them for a couple of minutes. The heat not too high until fragrant. Very strong and the color will change. You see the oils here on the wok? You see that oil come from the chili and the ingredients. Okay, the paste is ready. Rest the paste. This is a kaffir lime leaf, Kaffir, kaffir lime leaf in Thai ใบมะกรูดนะคะ We tear them, take out the spine in the middle, and then we're gonna cut them small, ชิบขนาดนะคะ See, we got a beautiful cut of kaffir lime. Smells good. Next, this is a Tooth Coriander. We're gonna cut same, but this one not as rough as that one. We can make a little bit bigger piece. All right, now we're gonna mix everything together. I have herb ready, the minced pork ready, chili paste that we prepare ready, and the pork belly and this pork blood. So now I put the chili paste in there. I like it spicy. So, and I have some stock. You see the water that we boiled the pork earlier to help to dissolve this chili paste. It's flavorful and stuff. Dissolve the paste. And then blood. See? A bit of blood. It's turn red now. Now I'm gonna add the pork, you know, the intestine, the liver that we cut earlier. Put them together and mix. And then there's the ground rice. It gives the nice texture. And it's beautiful roasted rice now. Alright, mix it well. Kaffir lime leaf that we cut. Kaffir lime leaf. Mixing it. Now, the smell the kaffir lime leaf. Beautiful smell. I wish you can smell through the screen. Alright. And then some of the fresh spring onion, mint, cilantro, Tooth Coriander. Mix. Actually, the textures of the pork meat now, it's just like, you know, like a dough. Alright, we'll mix it and then we're gonna taste it. See if I need more fish sauce or no. Oops. Maybe a bit scary to you, but you shouldn't eat raw meat, especially this time. But I grew up with this and we like the lab, you know, we add the blood in, we call them lu. So a lot in the north or in the east parts of Thailand, they eat lab raw. I'm gonna taste it and I'm gonna seasoning them again. More fish sauce. Spice is okay. About another tablespoon of fish sauce. Taste this again. Alright, it's good. Now we're gonna put the lard that we mixed already into the wok in the oil. Now we cook it again out in the wok. We'll make this special dish for Thai New Year's. Lab hmu, Northern style. This is the New Year's today. Happy Songkran, Happy New Year's. As we are quarantined in the house, so we cannot have parties, so we party in our family. Only me, my husband though. We make a big pot, big portion of lab hmu for ourselves, and then we're gonna put in the bag and hang it in front of the front gate. Now for some of the family members will come and pick it up later. As we're supposed not to be close to each other. Well, it's yummy. It looks good now. Almost done, you see. The pork looks cooked to me. It's cooked. I'm gonna add the rest of the fresh herb here. The reason that I keep half because I want to keep the fresh taste aroma at the end. And then mix it in here. And the color looks great. It's nice bright green. I love tasting. Double check. Done. Ready to serve. Look at that. Yum, yum, yum.